In the ancient kingdom of China, where the celestial rivers flowed and the mountains touched the heavens, the legends of the dragon kings were spoken in hushed whispers and reverence. These were no ordinary dragons, but divine beings, guardians of the elements and emblems of the emperor's power. In the heart of the Qing Dynasty, during the reign of the Jiaqing Emperor, a crisis was unfolding. The sacred dragons had grown weak, their powers dwindling, and the realm was plagued by drought and famine. The people's cries for help reached the emperor's ears, and he knew he must act. The emperor, a man of wisdom and courage, consulted the scholars and sages. They spoke of an ancient prophecy, a tale of a dragon who could restore the others to their former glory. The dragon was said to reside in the mythical Eastern Sea, a place few had ever seen and returned from. Undeterred, the emperor assembled a team of bravest warriors and the most skilled seafarers. They set sail on a journey that would test their courage and resolve. The voyage was long and treacherous, with storms and sea monsters standing in their way. But the warriors remained steadfast, driven by the fate of their kingdom. At last, they reached the Eastern Sea. The sight that greeted them was beyond their wildest dreams. A vast expanse of shimmering water, home to creatures of legend. And there, in the heart of the sea, they saw it, the dragon of prophecy, its scales glistening like jewels, its wings spreading wide. The warriors approached the dragon with reverence, explaining their mission. The dragon, impressed by their determination, agreed to help. It imbued its power into the warriors, transforming them into dragon knights. With newfound strength, the knights returned to their kingdom, ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead. The dragon knights brought rain to the parched lands and banished the famine. The people rejoiced, their faith in the dragon kings restored. The legends spoke true, the dragons were indeed the guardians of their realm, and their power was a beacon of hope in times of crisis. And so, the tale of the Dragon Kings lives on, a testament to the resilience of the Chinese people and the enduring power of myth and legend. The dragons, though mythical, continue to inspire and guide, their presence felt in every river, every mountain, every storm that passes over the ancient kingdom.